yesterday we learned about the word family ad. Please make the sounds with me. Make sure I can hear you. Ad. Let's do it again. Ad. Ad. Add says add. Say add. Great job. All right, we are going to find beginning sounds so we can make real words with the ending add. I want you to find the letter that makes the sound. Find the letter that makes the sound. Go ahead, I want you to pause this video, find the letter that makes the sound, and then you can press play again and we can continue. Did you find the sound? This is the H. Can you say H? This makes the sound. We're going to sound these letters out together to figure out which word this is. Here we go. Add. Let's do it again. Make sure I can hear you. Add. Are you doing this with your letters? Make sure you're doing this with your letters. Add. Do it again with your letters. Make sure you're saying the sounds. Add. Now let's tap each letter instead of moving them. Do it with yours. Add. A little bit quicker. Add. Add. Had. This is the word had. I had a sandwich for lunch. Can you repeat after me? I had a sandwich for lunch. Great job. Today we're going to learn about a new word family. Instead of add, we're going to take away the ending sound d, and we are going to put a new ending sound. I want you to go ahead, press pause on the video, and I want you to find the t sound. This is kind of a funny looking t sound. Yours should look like this. But I want you to find the t sound, which is the T, and put it at the end of A. So it will look like this. Go ahead, pause the video, and then press play again when you're ready. Okay, so you should have these two letters. Let's sound them out together. You watch me first, and then I'll have you do it with your letters. Listen first, and then you can do it with me. At. At. Now watch me first, and you're going to say it with me. At. Make sure you're saying it. At. Now let's tap each one of mine, and then you're going to do this with yours in front of your parents. At. Do it with me. At. 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 I want you to pause the video, and I want you to do what I just did in front of your parents so you can teach them what this says. Go ahead, pause the video, press play when you're ready. Okay, so did you teach your mom or dad or grandma? Okay, so now we need to get another sound to put at the beginning of at. This is the word family at. We need to find a beginning sound, and the beginning sound I want again is to get the beginning sound that makes the Go ahead and get it. Find the letter. Did you find the H? If not, put it here. This is the H. Can you say H? It makes the sound like Great job. All right, now I want you to just watch and listen as I make the sounds in this word. This is a word. It has many letters. If you put letters together, it makes a whole word. Can you say word? Can you say letters? Word. And these are letters. Great job. All right, listen first. At. Now try it with me. Make sure I can hear you. You're just looking at mine and I want to be able to hear you. At. At. Now we're going to tap each one. Just watch and listen. I'm going to have you do this in a minute to show your parents. At. At. Hat. Hat. The boy wears a hat. Can you repeat after me? The boy wears a hat. Go ahead. I want you to pause this video. I want you to pretend that you're the teacher and you teach either your mom, your dad, your grandma, whoever is there with you. I want you to teach them how we push up the letters and make the sounds. We push them down and then we tap each one until we figure out the word. Go ahead. Press pause and then press play when you're ready. Now we're going to change the beginning sound. I want you to take away the beginning sound. What do we have left? What does this say? What is this word family? Do you remember? At. Do it with me. At. 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 This is the word family at. We're going to add a beginning sound. I want you to find the letter that makes the sound. Can you find the letter that makes the sound? Go ahead. Find the letter that makes the sound. Did you find this letter? Do you remember the name of this letter? This is the M, mittens. Great job. Let's sound out this word. First, look at my letters and listen to what I say. At. Now you try it with me by saying the sounds. Watch my letters. At. 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 Mat. Oh, I have a mat in front of my door. Repeat after me. I have a mat in front of my door, and a mat is like a rug. I want you to go ahead, pause this video, and I want you to show your parents. I want you to make the sounds for your parents and push the letters so you can teach them how we sound out this word that has the at the end. Go ahead, pause the video, and then press play when you're ready. Okay, now I want to change the beginning sound again. So get rid of the We're going to put a new beginning sound for our at word family. I want you to find the beginning sound. Go ahead, find the letter that makes the sound. Put it at the beginning of the at word family. Did you find this letter? That is R, ring, do it with me, R, ring, great job. Okay, let's sound out this word. I want you to look at mine and listen first. At. Now try it with me by saying the sounds I make. Watch my letters. At. Make sure I can hear you. At. At. Rat. Rat. There is a rat in the house. Oh no! Repeat after me. There is a rat in the house. Go ahead, I want you to pause this video and I want you to do this for your parents just like I did. You're going to move the letters and make the sounds and then tap and then try to figure out the word. Press pause and then press play when you're ready again. Okay, now we're going to get rid of the beginning sound. We're going to remove or take away the beginning sound. Move this away. I want you to find the beginning sound b, 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 b. Find the letter that makes the B sound. Go ahead, find it. B. Is this the B sound? Is that B? No. This is the D. 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 We don't want that. I wanted you to find the B sound. This is the B sound. Let's do it together. B, 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 B. All right, let's sound out this word to try to figure out what it is. Watch me first and listen first. B, A, T. Now do it with me. Make the sounds and just look at my letters. B, A, T. B, A, T. B, at. B, at. Bat. Hey, it's a bat. There is a bat flying around in the sky. Can you repeat after me? There is a bat flying around in the sky. Bat. And we can also say there is a baseball bat at the game. All right, I want you to pause this video and I want you to show your parents how you sound out the letters. And then you sound out the letters again to say the whole word, because this is a whole word. Go ahead, press pause, and then press play when you're ready. Now you are going to put your own beginning sound to make a word. I want you to pick a beginning sound that we haven't used so far and see if you can think of another word that has the at the end. What you're going to do, since we're at the end of the video, is you're going to do this for your parents. You're going to find a beginning sound and then you're going to move the letters and then tap the letters and figure out what the word is. If it's a silly word that isn't real, try to find another beginning sound that makes a real word that you've heard of before. Then, when you're all done, you are going to use the other side of your lined paper. You should have paper from the other day. You should have paper from the other day that looks like this. The other day, you filled out this side with words. Today, you're going to be writing with your pencil. There. You're going to be writing words with your pencil on this side. I want you to try to remember the words that we made and then the word that you made all by yourself. And then remind your parents to take a picture of your work and to upload it into your private channel, because you should have add on one side and at on the other, because we've done 2 word families so far. Great job. Go ahead and do that.